What's up, guys? Gold Rush here, and let me tell you, the crypto market is buzzing, and not always for the right reasons. Today, we're diving deep into the increasingly controversial world of Pi Network. We're talking about another major KYC deadline extension, a potential 32% price crash, and the question that's on everyone's mind. Is Pi Network a giant scam, or is there still hope? By the end of this video, you will know what to think about this project. Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your daily dose of crypto truth, analysis, and predictions. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Join our incredible community, and let's navigate this wild crypto frontier together. Alright, let's get down to business. We're talking about Pi Network, and we've got two eye-opening articles to dissect. Let's start with this bombshell from Crypto Times, titled, "Is Picoin a Scam? Why are users losing trust in Pi Network?" The article doesn't mince words, folks. It starts with, after delaying customer KYC deadline and subsequent mainnet launch for the umpteenth time, the Pi core team is under fierce criticism from users and fans of Pi Network alike who are increasingly starting to believe that the project and Picoin might be a grand scam. Ouch, that's a heavy accusation. The article states that the deadline for both KYC, Know Your Customer, and mainnet migration has been extended by Pi Network's core team on January 30th. The new deadline is February 28th, 2025. The article says that pioneers who have been participating since 2021 have been patiently and excitedly awaiting its introduction and the updating of KYC. This has been a long time coming. The Pi core team has promised the mainnet launch in Q1 of 2025, however, there is no exact date promised. The article notes that the mainnet launch has been delayed since 2022, much to the frustration of fans. This is starting to become a pattern. And now, with this new KYC extension, many users are questioning the Pi core team and whether the entire project is a mega scam orchestrated on the hopes and ambitions of users. That's a serious concern, folks. When a project keeps pushing back deadlines, it's natural for people to start questioning its legitimacy. This is not a good look. The article goes on to say that pioneers have now begun to doubt whether Pi is a reliable network to invest time in or just another fraud and scam as after the excruciating wait of more than 3 years. The Pi core team claims that this extension serves to give pioneers additional time to fulfill both Picoin security requirements and verification operational steps. This is to allow users to claim their Pi. They also explicitly stated that the KYC extension operates separately from open network preparations that continue on their original Q1 of 2025 timeline. They claim that the set launch timeline for the open network project remains unchanged regardless of the KYC deadline extension. This is to help reassure users. The announcement also states that all pioneers who do not fulfill their KYC tasks and migration obligations by February 20, 2025 will permanently lose their coin holdings. This is a harsh penalty. The article concludes by saying, it remains to be seen whether Pi core team will initiate mainnet launch in Q1 of 2025, given the extensions and just KYC deadline. There is pressure on the core team to deliver on their promises else fade into obscurity. This is a critical time for Pi. Now, here's my take on this. The fact that people are starting to call Pi Network a scam is definitely concerning. I'm not saying it is a scam, but the repeated delays and lack of transparency are major red flags. When you combine that with the fact that Picoin still has no real-world value, it's understandable why people are skeptical. This is definitely something to keep in mind. But that's not all, folks. We've got another article that paints an even bleaker picture for Pi Network. This one, from Crypto News, is titled, "Pi Network Price at Risk of a 32% Crash as Mainnet Launch Odds Fall." Let's dive in and see what's going on. The article starts with a bearish outlook. The Pi Network price remained under pressure on Friday after the developers postponed the grace period for the Know Your Customer verification deadline. They announced that the new deadline for completing the verification process will be February 28th. They reiterate that this marks the third time the deadline has been extended. This is starting to become a pattern. The developers said that the extension will allow as many pioneers as possible to conduct the KYC process and migrate their tokens to the mainnet. They also said that pioneers who do not complete the process by February 28th will only be able to migrate tokens mined in the past 6 months, forfeiting the rest. This is a harsh penalty for those who do not meet the deadline. They also reiterated that the KYC delay will not affect migration to the open network or the mainnet. They still expect the transition to occur in the first quarter. This is to reassure users. However, the article states that concerns remain within the Pi community that the mainnet launch could also face delays. They mention that in December 2023, the developers stated that the mainnet would go live by the end of that year, yet it has not happened. This does not bode well for their credibility. The article then provides some background on Pi Network, stating that it aims to improve upon existing digital assets like Bitcoin. It offers an easy-to-use interface that enables users to mine Pi coins. The project also hopes to gain acceptance among retailers and e-commerce platforms worldwide. This is their vision. Now, here comes the technical analysis, and it's not pretty. The article states that technicals point to more Pi Network price downside. As you can see in this chart, the price has fallen below the 50-day and 200-day moving averages, signaling that bears remain in control. It also mentions that Pi has formed a bearish pennant pattern, a historically negative technical indicator, and it's dropped below a key support level at $43.21. This was its lowest swing point in November and December last year. It has also moved below the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. This is a key technical indicator. Here's the prediction. Given these factors, the coin is likely to continue declining, with sellers targeting last year's low of $29.35, representing a 32% drop from current levels. A 32% crash, folks? That's a significant drop. And it's based on solid technical analysis, not just speculation. This would be a big loss for holders. The article does offer a glimmer of hope. A move above the key resistance at $50 would invalidate the bearish outlook. So, if Pi can somehow break above $50, then maybe, just maybe, this bearish prediction won't come true. This would make the coin much more valuable. Now, here's my take on this. This 32% crash prediction is definitely something to take seriously. The technical indicators are pointing downwards, and the continued delays in the mainnet launch are not helping investor confidence. This could cause investors to lose faith in the project. I'm not saying it's guaranteed to happen, but it's a real possibility. And if it does, it could be devastating for those who have been holding Pi coin for years. So, let's connect the dots here. We have one article highlighting the growing concerns that Pi Network might be a scam, and another article predicting a potential 32% price crash. What does this all mean? It means that Pi Network is at a critical juncture. They've repeatedly delayed the mainnet launch, they're facing increasing scrutiny from the community, and the technical indicators are pointing downwards. They need to start meeting their deadlines. The core team needs to deliver on their promises, and they need to do it soon. Otherwise, they risk losing the trust of their community and seeing their project fade into obscurity. If they do not, people will start to lose faith in the project. The next few months will be crucial for Pi Network. Will they finally launch the mainnet in Q1 of 2025? Will they address the concerns about transparency and centralization? And will they be able to prevent a major price crash? Here's the one thing that could determine Pi Network's ultimate fate: utility. If they can create an ecosystem where Pi coin has real-world use cases, then they might have a chance. If they can create this, it will be huge for the coin. But if Pi coin remains just a speculative asset with no real utility, then it's likely to become just another forgotten crypto project. This would be unfortunate for the coin. I'm not completely writing off Pi Network yet. I think there's still a glimmer of hope. But they need to act fast, and they need to be more transparent with their community. So, what do you think? Is Pi Network a scam in the making, or does it still have a chance to succeed? Will we see a 32% crash, or will Pi coin defy the odds and reach new heights? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more expert crypto analysis, ring that notification bell so you never miss an update, and share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Check out my other videos. They will provide you with a lot of useful information. This is Gold Rush, signing off. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.